Okay.
Nandyan sa ano yan eh, nasa ABS-CBN TV Patrol.
For non-violent peace.
Yan.
Unang ginanap ang virtual awarding noong Marso 27.
Sige, okay na, okay na.
Okay na, okay na. At masichiray ko si Trio.
Nakalimutan ko na sana. Pero anyway, mamaya pakinggan natin yung song, mag-comment tayo, etc. etc. So, ako'y nandito ngayon kasama si Engineer. Siguro pag kasama ka na rin dito, tatlo tayong presiding officers ngayon, say something also about your presence and eye care in this meeting bago tayo magpatuloy.
Thank you for the table. I would like to introduce myself. I am Engineer Henry Sabate, the founding chairman of iCare PH Advocates. The advocacy of the iCare PH Advocates is purely humanitarian. So we assembled mobile kitchen that is based in Davao, and I negotiated some of difference from China to fabricate at least 3 mobile kitchen to be assigned in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Pero that is subject for further negotiations. But I donated also 2 flat trucks, is a 10-wheeler 40-footer to fabricated as the mobile relief and mobile operations in relations to assistance to the office of the Vice President. So it's purely donations kasi I mean in the constructions for quite some times together with my colleagues. So maraming mga sobrang mga units. So we decided to come up into a mobile truck to assist to operate within the territory para kung merong mga big disasters, meron tayong magagamit kasi yung Office of the Vice President, alam naman natin na walang facility at kulang yung budget. So I initiated to assemble at least 2. Okay. I would like also to introduce to you that the National Honorary Chairman is no other than the former Secretary Attorney Wendell Abisado. So all these things are known to Secretary Wendell Abisado. Pag-start nito, pag-organize up to the present. And at the same time, our Chief Legal is Attorney Bobet Torion. Okay, our Luzon Honorary Chairman is no other than Manong Chabit Singson. So kasi mga humanitarian advocates. Itong organizations na to is not political, but at this point in time, nagkaroon na ng political group kasi I collaborated with the different organizations. Ang type ng organizations pala natin was a SEC register that was registered last quarter of last year. Masyadong mabilis and then supported by many communities. Ang ginagawa natin, walang political affiliations dito. Paminsan may sunog doon, based on our capacity and availability of funds, tumutulong tayo, nagpapakain lang. Pagkatapos kung meron tayong mga nabahaan, yun, nagpapakain din tayo, pumupunta lang tayo. Ganun lang yung pinaka-basic na ginagawa ng iCare. And then, ang organizations natin is national and international by category. So, we have the structure already. Meron tayong mga members abroad. At the same time, meron tayong regional director each in every region of the territory. So, meron tayo, we empowered our regional director, pero marami pa rin mga bakante. I think there are almost filled up na siya, pero medyo may kulang pa. Lalong-lalo na dito sa Metro Manila. So, pinipil up pa natin. And I am very appreciated dun sa other organizations who affiliates to iCare. Kasi before Christmas, we had a series of meetings with the different organizations because during that time, the big rally nung 16, 17, 18, we were assigned as the logistics with the support of Colonel Mitran. So kami yung nagpakain lahat doon sa nag-attend ng rally up to the last time of rally. Pero sabi ko nga sa mga groups na maraming gustong mag-participate pero they were not recognized kasi only top leaders are only recognize themselves. Ang gusto kasi natin dito, i-empower natin yung masses, tayo lahat. Kaya nung before a few minutes na lang, nung before mag 2026, nagkaroon ng mga series of meetings represented by different leaders. So kaya na-create ang humanitarian and political group. But they belong to one organizations. Ito na tayo ngayon. So, nung nag-usap kami ni Commissioner, and many organizations are created by personalities, no? Marami ring mga organizations, like for example, I appreciate the Save the Philippines Coalitions, pero hindi pa rin natin alam kung what will be the end game of these organizations. And right now, merong isang organizations na na-create. This was the group of generals and mga politicians. They're very popular personalities, pero hindi pa rin natin alam. They're just starting organizing. So, itong sa atin ngayon, sa nakita natin, maraming organizations dito, represented tayo, pero paminsan iba-iba yung pinaglalaban, may iba common ang pinaglalaban. Pero nag-decide kami ni Commissioner and the other Mamdang and the rest of the group na why not, we will come up into a one meeting, joint meeting, so that we can discuss all these things para we can establish objectives, mission, vision. Ito yung gusto natin, whether political or humanitarian or any services at all, magsasama-sama tayo para at least meron tayong forces at energy. So, let's assure that this organization could be bring up to the higher organizations. Yung meron kasing nagawa, okay lang ba, Colonel, na sasabihin ko, na meron yung organizations na yun will be recognized in the country at the same time who is spearheading the major events. Okay, katulad na sinasabi ni Manong Sabit na one time, big time, so magiging an official logo of the iCare. So marami na dito, almost, I think majority here are part of the iCare already. Nandito sila General Kita, sila Engineer Nasip, ito sila Colonel, Attorney, ito mga sila mga sa founding members. So marami sa mga provinces, marami na tayong mga regional directors, and we do already the humanitarian services. So yun lang, ako yung nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat na binigyan ako ng pagkakataon ng ating co-presider natin ang yung hashtag iCare. Ito gusto ko sabihin sa inyo, pag sa puso ito yung iCare, iCare, and then pag ganon kay Digong, you care, and then tayo we care. So can I request the body to
our chairman for the DDS Saraol Confederation. Let's welcome former Director Wendell Cabrera.
Good afternoon, no? Magandang hapon. Supposed to be, meron sana akong flight ngayon, no? Kanina, 4 o'clock. Minove ko ng 11, papuntang Cebu. Kasi meron din tayong ganito, no? We are uniting the other groups there in Cebu, Bohol, at Siquijor. Wala muna yung Negros. Tatlo muna, ni-unite natin. I cannot say no to this event, especially coming from a very good friend. Isa sa mga nag-i-inspire sa ating lahat, palakpakan natin si Chairman. Of course, sino ba naman ang makakasay no sa isa sa pinakamasipag? Si Miss Dan, palakpakan natin. So, kaya nandito ako ngayon at hindi talaga ako nagkamali. And I am very happy that I am here right now because this is what the country is waiting for a very long time. To unite everybody. Tama ba?
Yes.
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 This is what all of the Filipinos right now are waiting for our group to unite, all of us. And I am very happy that Kuya Ronald, pinatawag niya itong meeting na ito kasi it's about time that we should unite. So, konting background lang, when Tatay Digong entered Malacanang way back 2016, sinama niya ako doon. Ginawa niya akong director doon sa Office of the President. I was handling the Office of Participatory Governance. So, kita sa zona. So, hawak natin yung mga iba't ibang grupo na sumuporta noong 2016. And we are very happy kasi yung mga grupo na nangampanya noong 2015-2016, hindi namatay yung alab sa puso nila. Kahit naging presidente na si PRRD, the support was really still there. Hence, the President created the Office of Participatory Governance. So, what was that office all about? It was bridging the gap between government and grassroots dito sa baba. Kasi alam naman natin, pag ang mga biyaya sa taas, dadaan dito sa gitna, pagdating sa baba, wala na. Tama ba? Di ba? Yung mga, yung mga tao, mga AX, mga tupad dati, pag dadaan yan dito, pag hindi ka kaalyado ng kapitan o mayor, hindi ka bibigyan. So yung opisina namin was there to ensure that everybody, kahit kalaban ka pa, kahit hindi ka pa bumoto ni Tatay Digong noong 2016, ilang beses kaya ako pabalik-balik doon sa Capiz, sa Rojas, sa lugar ni Marojas. Kasi gusto ni Tatay Digong, tulungan lahat, walang pipiliin. No? When Tatay Digong